I'm Lillis Lawrence, and I'm the organizer of Repair Café, Prince Albert.
My name is Nisar Ghani, and I'm the sanitation manager for the city of Prince Albert.
Repair cafes have been around since 2009, and it's an international foundation. It started in Amsterdam.
It was a couple of years ago, like maybe I would say 10 years ago. I was in Toronto, and I was just going, in a downtown, and I saw the sign for the Repair Cafe. I went there, and what I saw there, I got so impressed. And then when I came here to Prince Albert, we had that Waste Reduction Week conference, and we mentioned this, idea, and then Lillis got it from there. She got so excited.
I went to a waste management and waste reduction conference hosted by the City of Prince Albert at the library. And so someone mentioned about Repair Café, and I had heard of Repair Cafes and had actually visited one in Montreal. So I had the idea of what the potential of a Repair Cafe would be.
And I found many people which are environmentally conscious, and Lillis is one of them. So it was very easy. I didn't even do anything. She's doing everything, and she arranged it. But I'm just helping her, to be on her side.
Most of the fixers are volunteers that they contacted Repair Café Prince Albert, which we have a Gmail.
The turnout has been good, it's been an hour or so, but we got around 8 fixers. And people also brought some stuff here, and it got fixed. So it's getting busier, and this is the first event. The next one will be better. It will get better and better. And the weather is not very ideal outside, but still the turnout is good. I'm very happy with the turnout.
A person is welcomed at reception, and they are carrying in some household item, and they need to understand what the house rules are, which means that we are all volunteers here, and that the fixers that are available will try to fix something, but if it doesn't work, or if they fix it and that it causes some damage, they are not liable for any of the fixing, so that they sign in and agree that they're okay with that. Then they are directed to a fixer that is available, and so the next step is to accompany your item that needs to be fixed at the table, and then watch and share and enjoy the experience of learning a little bit more about their fixable items and some of the possibilities. And then if they want to stay and share some ideas with people in the community, we have a coffee table or tea table with coffee and cookies that's available, and then we ask for a donation just to offset any costs of materials that we have.
I would like the residents to take part in this good cause event, and we want to see more people, the fixer as well as the people who want to get their stuff fixed. So please come here and enjoy. This is a very good cause. We are trying to divert the waste from the landfill for a good environment. So this is our aim. So big turnout is a success for this event?
I would encourage people to check out the next Repair Café, which is going to be April 7th. And we are hoping to get a couple of bicycle repair people to come. So that's another thing that is one of the possibilities for next time. So what I'm asking is that if anybody is inclined to be a fixer or help out for one of the Saturdays from now till the end of 2018, please contact me at repaircafeprincealbert@gmail.com.